Not including Mercury, Venus would be the closest planet to the Sun, and it's the closest to our planet without the need to exclude Mercury. More often than not, Venus and Earth are referred to as twins due to their similarities in size and density. Other than that, they have pretty much nothing else in common though. Stay tuned to find out why Venus has actually come to be known as Earth's evil twin. Welcome back to another episode of Universe on a Stick, plus a bonus. Make sure to stick around till the end to know what the bonus is. Owing to an incredibly thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and clouds of deadly sulfuric acid, the sun's heat is forever trapped on the planet, resulting in a runaway greenhouse effect, which consistently maintains the surface temperature between 820 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The average surface temperature is a scorching 847 degrees, which is over 200 degrees higher than the melting point of lead. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, surpassing even Mercury, seeing as how surface temperatures on Mercury never get any higher than 800 degrees. Earth's evil twin is truly the sister from hell. It's not possible to see the surface of Venus due to the abundance of thick clouds as mentioned earlier. However, reports from numerous probes sent to Venus have shed quite a bit of light on the planet's surface features, which include mountain ranges, plenty of impact craters, and thousands of huge volcanoes, many of which are believed to be still active. And what happened to these landers? Not only did they never return, they were only able to transmit information back to Earth for very short periods of time, as they were soon melted and crushed by the extreme temperature, and not to mention the unbearable pressure, which is over 90 times that of Earth. Can't have been easy to go through all that trouble of going to another planet. It's a lot of effort, only to survive less than a couple of hours after landing. There goes the evil twin again. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus takes roughly 225 Earth days to complete its orbit around the Sun. However, the planet takes 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis, which makes a Venusian year shorter than a Venusian day. It is also nicknamed the morning star and the evening star, as it always shines bright briefly before sunrise as well as after sunset. In classical antiquity, she was called the most beautiful star in the sky by Homer, the author of the Iliad and the Odyssey. Wow, it's hard to believe that's the planet whose noxious air stinks like rotten eggs. Another thing that makes Venus such a peculiar oddball is that it spins completely backward relative to almost all of its planetary neighbors, including Earth. Now this makes for a radical day and night reversal on Venus, as the sun rises in the west and it sets in the east. Scientists are not entirely certain about what could have caused such an abnormal spin, aka a retrograde rotation. According to a long-standing theory though, Venus once had a normal, prograde spin just like all the other planets, until it was hit by an ancient protoplanet billions of years ago, possibly during a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. The reversal of the planet's rotation was most likely the fallout of that very impact. The Late Heavy Bombardment was quite a critical period in the development of our Earth as well. I did make a full video about this fascinating era in Earth's history. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to watch next, and Nathan out.